is a weapon deep illusion. An illusion someday will be just like a dream. Then no one can question the heart that how's everybody today?
Hello, hello.
Hello, good morning, or yeah,
Morning,
good
morning.
morning over here.
Yeah, for you it's probably middle of the night.
Yeah,
I was
it's
in
one
long.
o'clock.
Okay, nice. I was in
I
long, but
haven't looked at the market all day. That's like a miracle for me.
that's good. Sometimes you need to rest from it.
Not
You,
even to glance at it.
you need to
So
make
I'm
this
barely
decision
gonna.
sometimes just to rest from it.
Yeah, for sure. But I still wanted to look at the stuff that you had sent and that
Okay.
indicator that you had. But I haven't opened. I'm gonna open up my computer right now because for whatever reason I can't. That Discord, remember, it doesn't work on my
Yeah, yeah.
laptop. The volume. I went to go see a movie. Is what I did right now. I just got back.
Oh, okay.
I went to a 10 o'clock showing.
That was a good
So
idea of use of the time.
yeah,
Okay, I
I
took the
went to go
long
see
in
that
a
Indiana
morning.
Jones.
What you was
Which
watching?
one? Indiana Jones.
Oh, it's a good one.
Yeah, it's different, but yeah, it was good.
Okay,
That time machine. They built a time machine for back in the Roman times.
that will be interesting to watch.
It was okay. Okay.
Now I
So
am
who
upset
won?
on myself because I opened long before the open
Uh
and I
huh.
and I took the profit just before the open.
And I did a demo trade. When I told you I was getting out of the trade, I was using the 20 EMA,
Yeah,
and I took a short at 15,403 on a demo trade just to test the waters. And we'll look at that. It's still in the trade, and it's at $400 profit.
yeah, it's always
Ridiculous.
like that.
But it's a demo, right?
Now they have this
So
is actually my TP and $500. On my secure only I took only 200.
mhm.
That's okay. Live with it.
So
So,
what indicator are you using? I mean, that one that was there.
but this is generally for me to see what's happening with the volume at certain levels. So it's not like
Oh,
to open
right, right.
trades or to go into the trades. It's the basic one, the orange and blue color is delta. It's a volume profile with the delta, so it's showing you where bulls or bears building the orders.
Hmm. So
Uh,
looking at all this that's barely opening, I would have attempted to get in long like at 11:30 my time, around there with that big red candle that came down with the wick
yeah,
on the 1 minute chart. That's where I would have attempted to go long. I don't know where you went long, but then I think price came back down
pretty much the same level because price come down to that
at
level and going back
mhm.
again. So
Okay.
my long was like 20 minutes ago.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right there. Like it looks like it came back down.
Yeah. Okay, one second. If you want, I can share the other screen. You can watch on a what I showing or not really now?
I'm not in anything.
Okay, but do you want me to show you the other screen or
Oh yes, yes.
okay,
The in that indicator where it shows the volume, like
okay,
where you were showing the PLC, I think it was as well.
yeah. Change.
What's the name of it?
One second, I just changing the screens. Okay, we can see it now.
Yeah, that.
So this one with the POC is normal delta, which we're using all the time, showing out as a daily profile on a delta.
But what's the name of it?
SVP, this is the first one.
Okay, hold on. Series volume profile or series volume profile HD?
Just normal one, not HD.
Not the HD, the
No,
normal one.
yeah, I just using the normal one. I don't know what's the difference between HD and this one.
Well, let's see what it gives me. So, what are the settings for that one?
I
Do you have
send
them just
I sending you that now.
okay?
But it's not really to take the trades, it's just to checking what's happening with the volume at certain levels, so you know when you can exit because there was a very big. Actually, it's similar to what Adam showing the indicators, market structure showing and everything, but this for me is more like more directly telling me why we
Mhm.
are here and what we're doing there.
Okay.
So
And then the other one that you use,
is
is
this
that
one?
also for level purposes?
Is this one showing you? It's not very accurate one because that one should use the tick data, and as trading you don't have a tick data. This one it's a volume footprint. It's showing you just sell and buy orders at each level. What was the build? So you see where there are bigger gaps, and you waiting for those levels to see what will happen when we go to these levels.
It's not coming up for me. And it's by who?
It needs more data, so I'm not sure if it's working on all of the trading view uh,
Mm-hmm. Well,
because
I found one, but it says that name, but then it has captain, I think.
one
This one
second.
says volume, open interest, footprint. Yes, I think that's it.
Yeah, this is the one. And a simple thing, as you see, what was happen. We've got the bearish orders, lots of bearish orders through this profile, and there is a gap. So just before that gap, the bulls stop because the bears don't want them allowed to go any higher. If they will start to building the orders, they will be taking over to the next one and to the next one.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go back to my normal screen because this one nobody will understand what is it on it. Yeah, so currently I took from the trade 10 points, it would be like 25. No, let's see
Hmm.
where it will take me. It was a previous day close was 86 points. But view up it's red, so I'm not sure if you'll pass it.
This is the contrarian trader part that y'all have,
Yes,
right there, the white candles.
yes, and as they was going down, the contrarian hold
Mhm.
for a very long time, but because we are so bearish, I don't think so they will go any higher from here now.
You know, I wonder why the volume one, that SVP one.
Hmm.
Oh, let me change the settings. I'm sorry, because it doesn't show anything for me anyway right now.
You need to zoom in, zoom out sometimes.
Oh, okay. Let me first look at your settings.
And the entry shot was really nice actually.
So on that line that has that red line that you use, that's the EMA or SMA, or the does that doesn't mean the same thing, right? One's a simple and one's
Mm,
this is
but on which one you see?
in the chart that you showed me in the earlier today,
Ah,
the one at 1108.
there is RSI. It's a standard strength index from the which I got it from Ninja Trader, and it's a 14 period. 1 second.
Let me do this one. This is the CP style.
This is where you can see nicely the divergences. This is why I'm using them, drawing them by hand.
Up volume, down volume.
You can find something similar on TradingView because it's quite RSI, it's very standard one.
Okay.
Okay, I can see the bulls, they still wanna come to the market. I will send you something now and explain what I'll be waiting for.
How do I put it small like those the SVP? Do I just have to shrink the screen?
Yeah, sharing the screen and then zoom in and zoom it out, and then it should show up. Or put on a 5 minutes because as well, if your plan is not the premium one,
Because it's like
then
overlapping on the candle.
yeah, if you change to the right side, it will be doing that.
Oh. Well, I did put it on the right side. Ugh.
So I will send you something now, and for the long to happen, I will be waiting for the price to drop little bit more, RSI to drop as well a little bit more, and prove me that it can stay above the green line, then I will go long. Otherwise, I missed my short entry from the top, which was really nice.
That last picture you sent me.
Yeah,
What is?
this
Oh,
is the
that's the art. The RSI.
this is the RSI. So as you saw, it touched the top, where usually it's the like overall both oversold. We touched the
Mm-hmm.
resistant price, react on it, and now I will be waiting for RSI to go below or go to the actually source where is a green and blue, green and red line. And if you'll
Mm-hmm. On the
prove
RSI.
and if you'll prove me that it can stay above the green line, then I will go long. Otherwise, I'm not touching
You
it.
got out of your trade already?
Yeah, yeah, I closed
Oh,
it
okay.
too early.
Oh. I got out of that trade this morning because I moved my stop up to 70 or 30 points, and it took me out, and then it shot up. I was like, dang it.
Yeah, it's quite often like that. But the short was amazing actually.
Yeah.
Short was really nice today on
Well, like I said, I'm
Sydney.
in a trade and demo because I said
Yeah,
I'm not going to trade because I'm not going to trade. And I got in at 15,403.75. And the reason I did was part of was the EMA 20. And then I saw a bearish, an elephant candle.
okay.
And so I said, okay, well, there's a bearish elephant candle. And I took that short. And well, look at that.
Yeah,
And then I put my stop loss. I mean, because it's demo, right? I put my stop loss at the high of the day, and I closed the computer. Can you imagine? I mean, I couldn't believe it.
that's the best thing when you can do that, that you can go away and close the computer. That's really good.
Yeah, but it's not. It was demo, so it's so easier to do that versus, you
It,
know.
it shouldn't be a huge difference actually. You should treat it very similar way.
Hmm.
Okay, I take as well one contract long now. That's 97. Scalping line is still green, but okay, change red. Bones are messing around. There are green, red, green, red. Okay, there was nicely red through all of the time. No, it won't go. Okay, closing the $20 lost.
When? Oh, I hadn't done the rest of your settings on input. That's why. And then into the right.
In for hour. We test expensive zone and we reject it. So they're going lower, at least for now.
The second settings that you sent me, is that for the volume footprint?
No, it's the second. It's as well for the volume SVP, but it's a style.
Oh, it's a style.
Yeah.
Let me see. The one that's in black and gray that starts with parameters, period, smooth. Which one's that one?
1 second.
Okay, no, go ahead. Do your trade. Don't,
No, no,
don't.
no. I was just actually doing some settings. But can you tell me what you're asking? What was the other one?
It's in gray and it says, it starts with parameters, then period, smooth.
This was for RSI. When you find the RSI on TradingView, this is the standard
What was
settings.
the name of it?
RSI,
RSI.
RSI. It's just RSI.
It's just regular RSI?
Yeah.
The regular old fashioned RSI?
Yes. Nothing fancy.
Delete that. Delete this one. Delete.
So the bulls they will try to stay bullish now.
And this is from TradingView, right?
The last one I sent you it was from Ninja Trader, but you can find it on TradingView, which look very similar, I think so.
Okay.
Can we be bullish or not? Not too much movements today. 92, there was a nice entry. Now it's too late, just wait. 301. Let's see if we can pass. 8-yard drop. It was around 3. Now it's 2-7.
And what's my alarm for? London Open? Or no, this is the time I'm supposed to wake up.
London opening in half an hour.
Yeah.
Okay, so far it's look like the bulls won't go anywhere. Boring. Frankfurt, we'll see what London will show us. Today will be quiet boring day. Calendar for today. Ah, second day of OPEC. Payroll and unemployment claims. And PMI. Busy data date. Day today. No trying a breakout date.
So the chart that's on the side, that red chart that comes up, those numbers, what that's how much, and if they're red and green, that's how much buyers and then how much sellers.
Yes.
Okay. And the little flags that come out, what does that mean? The one that says 15303, it's a red number, and 15294, it's a blue number.
Blue number? Can you send me a
Yeah,
screenshot? I cannot see any blue numbers.
or maybe I didn't change the color, but is it
Just
coming? Let me see where it's coming.
send me the screenshot.
Yeah, hold on. Unless, you know what? Hold on. Let me see if it's to that one. Okay. That one. That one. Oh, you know what? I did the SP. It's SVP resistance and support. That's what that is.
As what?
The SVP resistance and support.
Yes.
I think that's the one that belongs to that.
Okay.
But I don't have your settings. I was just looking at what you had on this. So do you use the default on that one?
But SVP resistance and support, I don't have anything like that.
Yes, you did. It's on the screen. You had it on yours. You had SVP, RES, SUP.
Ah, okay, yeah, but this is something I just testing. This is the POC as well, but you can choose the time frame, and it's not showing you as much data, so it's not as busy on a screen. And yeah, that one will be showing you where is a currently price. You can choose like on how many candles you want to check. If you will go on a settings, if you will go on a settings
Mm-hmm.
and use number of the bars, then I'm using like 40 bars. Otherwise, if you not use the number of the bars, it's set up for me for 4 hour candle. So
Oh,
this way it's showing me the current price action. You can change for a day, 1 hour, 4 hours, or like whatever it suits you. It's not using as much data as standard volume profile.
oh, okay. And on your RSI, are you using the SMA?
One second, I'll just try to put the trading viewer aside to see how it's look like.
Hey Colton,
Hi, Dizzy, how are you?
I'm very good today, my friend.
I can believe it. I am very jealous for what will happen there.
It's okay, I only got 30 points out of 80, so it's still.
Yeah, but the best thing is I took the long. I took the long amazing at the bottom, and just before the open, I closed it only with 10 points. So
Why?
because we are very bearish, and everything was still look bearish when I was opening it. And I was thinking it would be nice to have the first trade, which is making the money, not losing the money.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Well, I'm short again now, already 10 points.
Nice.
Barely. From the top, I got it.
Yeah, there was two entries. I saw one at 304,
Mm.
and the second one was at 98. It was
Well,
a
I got it in the middle at 301, but I don't like that we have so many exhausted sellers candles here and we are still above the 4 hour close. I said,
yeah.
why? So hmm, I'm still thinking.
I'm short on gold, but the gold I took first profit and then it's touched the 4 hour previous 4 hour close and that's it.
I'm gonna, hmm.
Okay.
No, I'm feel better.
Now we feel better, yeah, I can bet.
I wanted to send you something.
Yeah, I need to just show you. I cannot make this trend line working.
Ah, see, that's why. Okay, so let's do a screen share later.
Yeah, this is 79 for me. It's like a resistant. If we can break it, that you got to go. Because we got like a megaphone trend lines, one from the bears, another one from the bulls. So and
Mm-hmm.
so far we respecting that quite nicely.
Well, I'm gonna secure 2 points because one, I'm already in profit for today, and two, I don't know what London will do, and three, I don't have a lot of hopes for this trade from the beginning,
Okay.
especially since we have the trailing stop also printing. I sent you something, I think. Yeah, I sent you.
Give me a second. I just try to send something for Star Texas, and I'll come
Okay.
back. 52. And,
Okay. What's this?
okay. Already lines are here. I'm really not happy with what I was doing yesterday. Really making them profits, giving them back. It's so annoying.
Mm, yeah, you are out of the trades unexpectedly quickly.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know what wrong with me.
Man, it's so hot.
Don't complain.
It's so hot.
Actually, I know that feeling because yeah, we had the hottest summer ever, the hottest June ever in UK.
Okay.
Luckily, it's finished, and we'll see what the rest of the summer will bring us.
Where y'all at? What are you in the US or another country?
London,
Where you live at?
London, not London, not sorry. I'm UK, but not anymore London. It's Lake District area,
Oh wow. Nice, nice.
You
Well, I'm
still
in hot,
you still
hot
didn't
Texas.
didn't forget that you moved
Londoner.
from London.
Yeah, I going there next weekend. Just the all of the friends was calling me now. They're making a poker night this weekend, but I cannot go this weekend, so I will go next.
Nice, nice.
So I send you the RSI from TradingView.
Oh, okay.
You can check that one. And a simple thing, it's the red and green line I put manually. And whenever we are on above the red one, take the long trades. Whenever we are below the, sorry, above the green one, taking the long trades. Below the red one, taking the green trades. Below the red one, taking the short trades. Don't trade when we are on this green and red line because it's mean we ranging then. The resolution, you see, when I've done it on RSI, on TradingView, it's so shit compared to the Ninja.
Mm-hmm.
It's very squashed. It's not like as nice as the
Yeah.
Ninja. Okay, going. You see, I done the settings you just show me, and it's not taking, it's not drawing me the lines. But yeah,
Mm,
that
then
uh,
then
that
you're doing something wrong. Yeah.
Okay, we can share it later. Or what we can do,
Yeah.
if you've got the WhatsApp, you can send me your WhatsApp. I can call you on WhatsApp and we can talk over the phone and I can share you the screen to go one by one, or you can show me how to do that. So,
Oh,
we,
okay. Yeah. I will give you my WhatsApp.
whichever.
Yeah. Wait. How do I send it to you? I know WhatsApp is big in Europe.
Yeah.
Here we're
Not only Europe, it's like
using.
whenever I calling to abroad, I try to use the WhatsApp because
Hmm.
it's a free.
Yes, I know. Here we're using Line, which is
Ah, okay. Never heard.
basically the same thing.
Never heard.
Line is made by a Korean company
Okay.
and it's very big here in Asia.
Try to watch the movie Blackberry. It's so nice. It's actually it was showing what was the how the mobile race started when BlackBerry joined the market, how much trouble made to the other people and what they was thinking. And at the beginning, everybody
Mm.
was about selling the minutes. And actually,
Mm.
I had a few Blackberries in my life, so uh, at the beginning it was only just the nice thing about that BlackBerry, it was a first mobile which you was sending messages between BlackBerry to BlackBerry that was free of charge. They didn't charge you for the messages. This is why people
Okay.
was choosing the BlackBerry. And when Apple joined the run for all of it, they done the best thing because they say the providers, the mobile providers, they said to the BlackBerry, it's not worth to sell anymore lots of BlackBerry because there is only 1 minute. It's 1 minute, and the guy he didn't
Mm-hmm.
get it. What this mean? Soon
Mm.
as he get it, that Apple start to sell the data, not the minute. So
Aha.
megabytes, and you are charged per megabyte. And the mobile providers they love that idea because they can make much more money per megabyte than per minute.
Well, of course.
Okay, 10 minutes to open.
Okay, we're starting ranging here. We're in the middle of my trade. We can go either way at the open. We are also in between the boxes at the previous hour close at the POC. Thank you very much. POC dropped here. It was much higher,
Oh shit.
like yesterday.
Yeah, actually I can see the drop now. I believe so. We should go higher. Don't wanna buy it again now. I missed the
But you're
entry.
flat, right?
I'm flat. I'm flat. I'm long on gold only,
Mm.
and that's it.
Oh, okay. I sent you.
Short on gold. Sorry.
What did I send you?
Your number.
That if you if you can
Ah, scan it.
the scan it, yeah.
Ah, got it. I will save RTC. It will be much easier for me.
Oh, I know.
But you're using the WhatsApp as you are going to home or anything like that.
Yes, when I'm talking with my parents in Europe and they're always WhatsApp, my friends.
Just send you a message.
Okay, gotcha.
Everything setting up actually for a long for me because gold wanna go short. This is what I was waiting for. We're nice setup for a short. And again, I should enter the second contract. Should I question take the risk or not? Yeah, I am two contracts short on gold.
Oh, okay.
long for NQ look better.
Well, we couldn't. As soon as we went below the 4-hour close, we jumped right back above it. And also higher time frame candles, they turned green, while strict candles are still red.
Hmm.
Didn't see that many times.
FMOC yesterday was annoying. It pissed me off so much. You see, I short the top.
Hmm,
It will give me a nice profit,
hmm,
then come back to my entry almost, and then
hmm,
I was okay. It's going higher. I secure like $80, and then drop happened. I was like, fuck, just walk away.
hmm. Yes, but you didn't lose, and then FOMC yesterday was actually pretty boring.
Yeah. Okay, so definitely it's getting for long. The reason why we've got even on my 3 minute chart,
What are you seeing?
my nice trading stop, which I love on 3 minute chart to see the trading stop.
Mm-hmm.
First thing which I see, it's like that the gold managed to move below 200 and below 36. And as gold will go down and test the chip box, I hope so, then we can test the expensive one. Okay, 5 points in profit. No, five, sorry, three. But I've got very small stop loss, only 5 point stop loss on this trade. 29.
My profits are getting lower and lower until probably we couldn't get outside of the profile. Profile expanded down. I mean, value area
Value area, yeah.
expanded down.
Yeah, to the below the bottom of Sydney.
Yes, but the biggest problem I have is that we are still under the view up. We might go and test it. It's in the expensive.
Oh, VWAP wishing that will be very happy. 316.
Well, we tested today. We tried to go above it, and that was my entry short. We
3.
couldn't.
Okay, I've got 311 TP, which is 50% almost of the
Yeah.
bigger swing. 4 minutes.
Oh, yeah, looks like yes, yes.
London high yesterday is at the value up at 316.
I would like these trend lines to one stop printing when they're broken.
There is something for you to write
And
the code now for the
no,
Ninja Trader.
no, I don't think this code is free, first of all.
But there are trend line codes which will be free for on NT8 in
Yeah, probably yes for the price. Yeah, probably. Shouldn't be that difficult.
because they're annoying us. They're showing so many of them on the screen.
Yes, I don't like it. But if I put only two, it will find like only two bullish trend lines or only two bearish lines. I just want
All of them.
one bullish, one bearish. That's all. Like you're doing. I don't need 1,000 trend lines.
Yeah.
Although that intersection which I showed you, that called the long perfectly.
Mm,
Two of them meeting together, that was good. Okay.
2 minutes to London. And for me, if we cannot break 29.5, nothing will happen with my long. Gold just go down. I wake up today 20 minutes too late because by 6 a.m. usually I try to be to check what's happening with commodities because they got a new 4-hour candle at 6 a.m. my time and I missed that. Okay, 1 minute. You can see something start happening. And read the London on a buy of some of the drop of yesterday close of the market for the New York. That would be nice. Otherwise, definitely going much lower. Okay. Okay, MQ stop me out.
That is very good for my short, don't you think?
Yeah, definitely. But this is the area where I will be looking to go long. But
Ah, ah,
we
ah,
broke that
ah,
resistance, so
Really?
Have to move my TP lower. Come on. Already 20 points. What am I going to give them away? Ah, don't do that. You
A
asshole.
shooting star.
You
Well,
ass.
I still see it coming down, but that's the
Well, candles turned back to red, so that's the. But I don't like it that we got such a big rejection at the bottom. And it's not even the real bottom.
right. I was so tempted to get in that short on that candle, but I'm just gonna watch tonight.
No, that's a late entry.
Yeah, I should have got in at up here on the top at like at 299, 290.
At least.
Yeah, and the
At
EMAs
least.
are together, so that's why I wanted to get in short because the 200 that was red and the 20 was back and forth, but I didn't.
higher low, everything is red, ES join red, bonds
We
they
are
flashing.
oversold. Yes, yes, red, Nikkei red. Do we want to test the previous day low?
Well, you will be happy.
Well, it's deep inside the chip zone. But if we go there, then your only chance for a trade would be to try to catch the bottom.
Hmm.
You cannot go short there.
You weak me off at 75 and going up. I fucking hate sometimes this game.
This game.
I wanna buy at the same level. But that's very nice area to go long.
It is, especially since we're holding here. I'm gonna secure not only 2 points, I'm gonna secure 5 points. So I feel a little bit better.
It's only one thing, but that London can grab liquidity from the
Frankfurt.
Sydney. Frankfurt is done already from Sydney, but I saw the days when they just come, tap it around, and very, very big rejection.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. I saw that. And it's the previous day, previous 4 hour low also. That is 268, another 30 points for me. So that would be amazing. If we go there, I will just take profit and then go do something else because I'll be done for the week in two
Hmm.
trades.
Yeah, today it's a lot of news and everything, so very strange day.
Uh,
Go now. Oil very choppy, I'm not touching it. It's just weakening the
OPEC again
yeah,
today.
OPEC again.
Mm.
Your short definitely look much better than my
I see. I
attempts.
see it more short. I was thinking about going long here, but no. I think it's going to go down furthermore.
68. Sydney low and end of the bulls. I've got a bullish reversal line here, and this is like not really typical. On a 3 minutes, we will come to it straight away. I told you the algos they just seeing what we're doing. On bearish side, so don't touch it yet. But through the oversold don't mean anything in last few months oversold or overbought.
No, 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 no. Okay, I'm out. 30 points.
You happy?
I'm done.
That's good.
It's your turn now. You can buy it.
This what
I
I
mean,
done.
look to buy it.
As you heard, this what I done at 72.
Ah, already? Okay. We could go grab the liquidity though.
I've got 5 point stop loss. This is why if they will go grab it, they will take me very quick on very small loss.
Okay, okay. That is 1 mini or two?
One.
Ah, very good.
5 points usually I will open only one and let it see. I've got 67.5. It's my stop loss. The reason why I only open it here because yeah, very often we got this like coming next to the Sydney and rejecting from there. And this is what I would like to
Sometimes, yes,
see.
we don't even take the liquidity and then we just fly up. Yes, that's true.
And very nicely look like the building orders here, but we'll see which ones. It will be huge candle down or rejection go up. I
You
like what
could have just caught a short, like you said, as soon as, ah, come on, as soon as we got out of Frankfurt
yeah,
at around
Mhm.
80, now you would be almost 20 points in profit.
I know I saw that.
Okay, so now we're going for the liquidity. I'm gonna switch to my demo account and then I'm going to try to practice to catch
The bottom.
the the turning point.
I was telling Colton I tried that after I got out of that trade in the morning. I got in a short at 409, I think, and demo because I didn't want to lose any money, and it's
Mm.
still going. Demo two micros.
Yes, but that is not trying to catch the top. That is just trying to catch a pullback.
No, this morning I tried. Well, I tried to get the top because we got.
Ah,
I got 409. I think it was 409 or 413 short. But it was it's demo.
4 or 9. Yeah, 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 yeah.
But
4
it was
or
it's demo, right? So I left it, went away. I told Colton I never looked at the market again till right now. So I was late.
It's really I would like to see price going back to 84. Not white candles. There was a nice bearish divergent actually just before the open. 6 minutes. Hidden bear. Hmm, 75. Can we? Nope.
Okay. Not yet, not yet.
Okay. 69.25 I'm in long, but they don't look good yet. For me, I wanna cross 79. It's my 10 points. Okay, first TP done now.
I took a demo trade long at 15273.
Nice.
Let's, and again, it's demo.
But this is how you're learning, and you need to treat them as normal with the emotions, and this is the best way to learn. I'll be back in a sec.
One five two seven three. So I'm gonna put a stop loss at 7.
Okay, so first TP done perfect way. Now I am break even. Hmm, this one don't look good anymore. As I say, they don't look too good anymore. I am not yet out. At least first TP done and a break even. So happy about that.
Hmm. Let's see. My long limit got activated.
On my break even, you had a year long limit.
Yes.
Okay. Stop it at 260.
63. I'm not leaving it a lot of space.
Okay.
Because if we're going to go down, we're going down much more. It's not like we're gonna weak it and then go down. Go high. Everything is still very against me.
Yep. Retest of the entry.
Okay, so there were probably buying orders over there. We absorbing them or we adding to them?
Till we'll leave this area, I won't look for anything on MQ.
Yep. If volume enhanced stays like this and continues with the green,
It's not now
then
because
then yes, but I don't think so. It doesn't look like it. It will give you like one, two, three green candles and then one big red one.
yeah. Nice thing is that the strict that the contrarian candles click off. They couldn't make any low that they click off.
Yep. Didn't even notice that.
Oh, and the red is clicking off to be gray. So I shouldn't. I should stay on my whole stop loss. Didn't go break even. Oh, we're still in this nice trade.
It's not nice yet. I'm barely 5 points up, but that is one ATR, okay? Let's go for two ATRs. This is the first level we might get stopped at.
That was actually. Hmm, that looked good.
Did you like my entry?
Yeah,
I should
because
have still got it.
it was the same as my one, so I like it a lot. I I just don't like it that I exit too early.
Mhm. Oscillators says we have some green movement.
I should have.
Volume enhanced crossed, but we are close to getting overbought at a level that I don't want to be overbought at.
Not yet, DC. Not yet. There is still. We are at 58 on RSI, so still there is a bit of a
Ah,
spread.
yeah. I was watching the Excalibur.
Surely I consider it a little bit of nice space to go higher. They wanna go on the bullish side now. Hmm. So gold, gold got oil going nicely up after quite chop. This was 15 points for me if I will be in it.
I still regret
Ooh.
not getting in real in my actual account.
Yes, we all regret not getting in real when it's going in our favor.
You're
Or
right.
or closing them
If
too
it
early.
if it was in take your stop, it's like I'm so glad it was demo.
Yeah.
Oh
Sometimes it's
my
better
goodness.
that it's happened what's happened.
Yes, that's
Okay,
such a fake feeling.
I would have
87.
had 10.
87, if you can go there, there will be a bit of the rejection at 91. It's 61%, 61.8. No,
Yes,
86 is 50%, so actually, yeah, 87 mega sounds.
from Frankfurt top, right?
Yeah,
Oh man, I can see them without even drawing the fibs now.
yeah. And the best thing is invalidation. I can see much faster invalidation of the swings on a small.
Ah, the 78.
Yeah. Just need to find the last quarter of the move and that's it.
Where? Ah, but we stopped over there, that's why. That's a big rejection at 83.
Hmm. Middle of the Frankfurt. Ah, no, what I talking?
No,
Middle of
no.
London.
Eh,
No, a bit
Yeah,
further.
yeah.
Bottom of Frankfurt was at 82.5 was bottom of Frankfurt. So yeah. Hello. Ooh la la. This is why I'm preferring to watch volume candles on Ninja Trader. You can see it's like nice big rejection with the volume candle.
Ah, the volume chart, right?
Yeah. It's showing you how much bears are in control because all of the bullish candles are smaller. They try to go go higher, and then rejection, rejection. Okay, POC is at 81.25. So just test the POC and reject there. Mm.
Okay, guys, I'll talk to y'all if y'all are at
New
the
York.
open session.
Okay, see
Yes,
you later.
work. And I'll probably trade after the 15 minutes. See where I stand. I'll
Okay,
Makes
talk to y'all
sense.
later. Have a good night
Okay.
or good
Talk
bye.
morning.
soon. Okay.
Okay.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so far we had a firecracker. This is why we drop on gold and we start playing bloody hell trailing stop. Can you just this is the previous 4 hour and the middle of the channel. On the low view up it's green. Gold don't wanna go short. And this is don't wanna go long. VIX again with the gap up. Every day the same story. Did we close yesterday whole gap? Never. So now we got a huge gap. Okay. And we got the news today. Stock don't give a shit now. We just okay, Meta very expensive, the rest of them it's nowhere. The oil I will probably wait today for FMOC to finish. Yeah, they even don't want to go to the 200, to the sorry 50%. ATR 4.6, and we're not doing anything as was such a nice session for Sydney. Europe, it suck. Mm. DC, you not doing any more live trades?
Not likely, no.
Yeah.
But I've got the session tonight. But it's okay.
You can take demo trades. I will still stay on YouTube till like 9. So in half an hour I can call you and we can try these settings.
Okay.
Oh. Hmm, everything shorting. Yeah, RTY is the first one. Then YL. Scalping line
Nine,
is
you mean
red.
in like 25 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, but after that I'm gonna have to go.
Okay. No problems. Actually, I can close it now because there is nothing happening. I don't want to do any live trades as well.
Hmm.
I will just close the YouTube.
Okay.